we're going to talk about all the ways you can use power rule to find derivatives. Now, the basics of power rule is simply that if you have a function, some number times x in the n, you can find the derivative by multiplying n times a and dropping the power by 1. So that works really well for this first one. You see, 4x cubed, we're going to bring the 3 down, so we've got 12 and drop the power by 1. Now here, anything like x to the first, well, 1 times 3 is just 3, and then x to the 0, anything to the 0 is 1, so we typically don't write it. So we're just going to leave that. Now, here, I'm going to rewrite this as x to the negative second, right? 1 over x squared. So we bring that negative 2 out front, and then drop the power by 1, so it becomes negative 2x to the negative first, which I'm going to rewrite here in a second. I'm going to make one more pass through. The square root of x can be written as x to the 1/2 power. Any root can be written as a power and should be when you're going to do calculus. So I'm going to drop that out front, that 1/2. So it's going to become 1/2. And if I reduce the power by 1, this is negative 1/2. Let me do one more rewrite here. We got 12x squared plus 3 minus 2 over x, because the x to the negative first goes into the denominator, and plus 1 over 2 square roots of x. Here are 2 examples. I would suggest that you pause here and try them on your own, and then I'll show my work. If this helps you, please like and subscribe for more math help. I have a whole playlist of calculus. All right, so to begin with, we'll bring that 4 out front. So we've got 20x cubed. Remember, this is to the first, so 1 times 13 is 13. And it's x to the 0, so it's just x. It's just 1, excuse me. This I would rewrite as x to the 1/3 power. So that 1/3 comes out. And we reduce the power by 1, so 1/3 minus 1 is negative 2/3. Okay, we could rewrite that. Now, you could either write this as x to the 2/3 in the denominator, or you could write it's the cube root of x squared, like that. Next, I would rewrite this as 2x to the negative third. So you'd bring that power down, so it would become negative 6. And then reducing your power, you go to the negative fourth. And here you bring this down, 4x cubed. So you could rewrite this as negative 6 over x to the fourth plus 4x cubed. Again, if this helped, please like and subscribe for more math videos, including a whole playlist of calculus.